In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog post graphics in Visme. Whether you're putting together a featured image for a new article or a header graphic to share on social media, I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable process so your visuals look polished and on brand every time. First, start by searching for blog graphics or blog post within Visme. From the main dashboard or the templates area, use the search bar and type in those terms. This pulls up a curated gallery designed specifically for blog visuals, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can quickly scan the styles, colors, and layouts that match the mood of your article: minimal, bold, playful, or editorial. If you have a particular style in mind, use the filters to narrow things down by category or visual tone, and preview a few options to see how their layouts feel with your content. Next, select the template you want. Think about the vibe of your blog and the length of your title. Some templates are better for short, punchy headlines, while others give you more room for subheads or a brief description. Choose something with a strong focal point and clear hierarchy. Once you pick it, open it in the editor and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layers and placeholders on the canvas. Now, edit the text, images, and colors to match your blog branding. Double-click the headline and paste in your blog title. Adjust the font to match your brand's typography, or pick a close alternative for consistency. Keep the headline large and easy to scan, and use subtext sparingly for clarity. Replace the template image by clicking on it and selecting another visual. Choose something that supports your topic without overwhelming the text. For colors, use your brand palette in the color picker so everything looks cohesive. Maintain strong contrast between text and background for accessibility, and keep enough breathing room around edges to avoid a crowded look. Finally, add icons, photos, or illustrations from the Assets panel. Open the panel, search for keywords related to your topic, and drag items onto the canvas. Choose a consistent style for icons, outlined or filled, so they look intentional. Resize proportionally, align elements with the guidelines, and use subtle accents to reinforce your message without clutter. If you're layering visuals behind text, lower the opacity slightly so your headline stays readable. Give your layout a final glance for alignment, spacing, and consistency. With these steps, you'll have a professional, branded blog graphic ready to enhance your content and capture attention.